Hello Year 5. Thank you for the fantastic work you've emailed in for our science display. This is a lesson from your Head, Heart, Hand sheet which the children in school are doing this week. Our learning intention is to understand how exercise affects the human body. Before we start, let's revisit the work we did just before Christmas. Can you remember the names of any organs? See if you can name these before I do. Brain, heart, lung, stomach, liver, small intestine, large intestine. We can't see these clearly, but the trachea, or the windpipe, goes into the lungs, and the gullet, or the esophagus, goes into the stomach. Bladder, kidney. Can you remember the functions of the organs? Which organ digests food? The stomach digests food. Which organ controls the body? The brain controls the body. Which organ stores urine? The bladder stores urine. Which organ takes oxygen from the air? The lungs take oxygen from the air. Which organ pumps blood around the body? The heart pumps blood around the body. Which organ passes digested food and water into the blood? The small intestine passes digested food into the blood, and the large intestine passes water into blood. Which organ filters the blood? The kidneys filter the blood. Which organ stores and controls chemicals? The liver stores and controls chemicals. Remember, the liver has lots of different jobs. This is only one of them. Which of these organs do you think are most affected by exercise? Yes, the heart and the lungs. To find out, you need to do some exercise. So stand in a space ready to do 10 star jumps. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Sit down. What do you notice? Yes, you're breathing faster. Your heart is beating faster. You may be feeling hotter, and you may be sweating. Why do you think this happens? Scientists are interested in investigating questions. Our questions are: why does your heart beat faster? Why do you breathe faster? Why do you get hotter? And why do you sweat? You need to research to answer these questions. Here are some facts that might help. The heart pumps blood around the body. Blood transports oxygen and nutrients around the body. Lungs take oxygen from the air. Muscles use oxygen to change food into energy. Muscles use energy to move the body. Muscles also produce heat when they change food into energy. Sweating cools down the body. So, why does your heart beat faster? I don't think it's anything to do with the lungs, or heat, or sweating. Now we need to turn these facts into an answer that makes sense. We could start with, the heart pumps faster to get oxygen and food to the muscles quicker so they can make more energy to move the body during exercise. Let's check whether that makes sense. The heart pumps faster to get oxygen and food to the muscles quicker so they can make more energy to move the body during exercise. That answers our question. Now we need to answer the next question. Why do you breathe faster? This is about the lungs, but not the heart or blood. It's also about oxygen, but not heat or sweating. We could start with, you need to breathe faster to get more oxygen, so that the muscles can make energy to move the body. Now let's find an answer to our final questions. Why do you get hotter and why do you sweat? It's not about blood. It's not about the lungs. It's not about the muscles using oxygen. So we could start with, muscles produce heat when they change food into energy to move the body. So you sweat to cool down the body. Let's see if that makes sense. Why do you get hotter? Why do you sweat? Muscles produce heat when they change food into energy to move the body. So you sweat to cool down the body. We've just looked at how exercise affects the body. You could research this further if you like, or you could research the impact of diet, drugs, or lifestyle on the body. You can choose how to present your work. Don't forget to email your work to the office if you want to add it to your class display. Take care everyone. Bye.